Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm gonna paint the interior trim pieces on my E92. I'm gonna go with a paint splatter design. It can go for any car if you can get the trim pieces off, but I'm gonna do a step-by-step video. So yeah, let's get started. So these are my interior trim pieces right now. I had wrapped it and it came out good initially, but I guess with time and the AC and just the heat, it started wrinkling up, so it looks pretty bad. So I'm not gonna really show you how to pop them off. They come off really easy. You just like pull on them. It's just nothing's really holding on to except this. So it's really simple to take them off. Basically with these little vents, if you look on the back of them, they just have some tabs right here. Just need to pop these back. I'm gonna have a little screwdriver here. You can just pop them up and it'll come apart. So what I bought was P800 wet dry sandpaper, and I'm gonna wet sand these. And it's a fine sandpaper because you don't really need to scratch too much into it. You just need to scuff it a little bit. When it's scuffed up, it should look like this. It should look really hazy. And if you let it dry, if you have some spots that are still shiny, that lets you know you still gotta scuff it up some more. So we're gonna scuff this one up some more. So the paint that I bought is VHT plastic paint. And the first coat, I'm just gonna mix it, not too heavy, just so it can grab a little bit. So the second coat is gonna be a lot heavier. I'm gonna get complete coverage on the whole thing. And I'm trying to get all the spots. Okay, so now we're gonna do the paint splatter. A lot of people get a brush, but I didn't want to buy a brush, so I'm just gonna do it with a paper towel. I have a silver paint for plastic, and this is what I'm gonna splatter with. I'm just gonna spray a lot right here on the end, and I'm gonna just throw it on there. So here I have the VHT paint, same paint, but red, because I want to add a touch of red since the car is red. Okay, so after splattering the paint, you're gonna want to give it some time to dry, and then you're gonna make sure you get some clear coat. The clear coat is what's gonna make it look shiny at the end. So that was one coat. I'm gonna apply 2 coats and it should be done. So this is how they came out after finishing them. You can see that those coats of clear really gives it that complete finished look instead of it being matte. And something that I did want to point out was that I had wiped them clean with a rag like this. You might want to use a paper towel instead, because I did have some like strings of fabric that got stuck in there that I noticed after I had sprayed the black, and I couldn't take them out because you're gonna smear it. So yeah, I left them on there. But otherwise, it came out really good.